Zayden Dansky. We're going to be taking a video about helicopter, and it's going to take off.
Yeah.
Set it off.
Wait, first, come in. We're going to explain over here. We're going to try to land on these. If we land on the red one, we have to give it to the other person, and we don't get a score. If we land on the blue one, we give it to the other person and we get a score.
Okay?
Stop.
Let's take her off.
You'll lose batteries quick.
Don't forget to take off.
Don't move back. Come back. Or control. Let's try another time. Come on, take it forward.
Lower.
Get down. No, not good. Not good. Good. Going good. No, it's gonna crash.
Slowly.
No.
We can make it. The white is in ocean. Whoa, I'm too close. Camera. We just zoomed in. You just blocked some of my screen.
Sorry.
Go down, go to one. Well, the black is okay because that's land.
No, it's not good. Oh, we have to restart. If you touch the white floor, you're gonna have to restart.
Leave in the comments if we have touched the floor earlier and we just do not know. Take off.
What time you get those? No!
Wow. We need a pilot for this thing. Sadly, we don't have one. Sorry, guys. It hit me. It's really painful when it touches you.
Stop, it's gonna touch the crystal tree. And then it crashed on the...
Can I get a turn?
Yeah.
Okay, hold the camera and make sure.
Yeah. Okay, so let's just get this right.
Whoa.
Wow. Are you okay? I mean, stop. Oh, it's going so fast, it's gonna crash. Oh, no. What? It's gonna touch, it's gonna crash. I think it's gonna crash. Come on. Oh, it's crashing. At least I'm on land. Let's just turn this around. Get higher, forward. Take your speed.
So close.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Come on, go forward.
I'm trying.
Look at these. she's there. She's there. She's going back. She's going back. She's there. She's there.
Oh, come on. I need some more altitude.
Okay, we might end this video today.
Of course we're going to end it today.
Yeah.
Ow. We're not right here.
Okay, we're gonna end this video right now.
Wait. Let me try and land on at least one of these two.
Okay. Hope you subscribe.
No, don't end it. Wait. Here. There. I made it. Here. I made it. There.
Hope you subscribe.
Please subscribe. Leave a like and subscribe.
Bye.
More videos. Wait. Don't click off yet. Look up. Look up. Okay.
Goodbye everyone. The video is ending.
Look out.